Hello students of Standard 10th. Welcome to the digital campus of DAV Moyle Public School. Let's begin with an online session of science. Our today's topic is Introduction to Control and Coordination. Human body is a complex machine performing tons of the functions and processes to maintain and sustain life. Movements in organism. The ability of organisms to move certain body parts is movement. When they move from one place to another, it is called locomotion. Organisms show movement in response to stimulus or stimuli. Control and coordination. Organisms move in response to various kinds of stimuli like light, heat, nutrients, foods, mate, etc. All the activities in animals are controlled and coordinated by the neurons and endocrine systems. Hormones are chemical messengers which assist the nervous system in carrying out various functions. They are secreted by endocrine glands. Hormones in plants coordinate the movements. The nervous system. Neuron is the structural and function unit of the nervous system. Each neuron has three main parts, that is dendrite, cytone, soma, cell body and axons. Dendrites receives impulses from other neurons. Cytones, soma, processes the impulse. Axons transmit the impulse either to another neurons or to muscles, glands, etc. Axons may be myelinated or non-myelinated. The impulse transmission is faster in myelinated neurons. The structure of neuron is shown in the given figure. The central nervous system CNS is made up of the brain and the spinal cord. Functions of different parts of the brains are: cerebrum is responsible for reasoning, logical, emotional, speech, memory, visual, processing, recognition of auditory and taste stimulus, etc. Cerebellum regulates the control and coordination, body movement, posture and balance. Pons relays signals from hindbrains to forebrains. Medulla oblongata controls all involuntary movements like vomiting, sneezing, yawning, heartbeat, breathing, blood pressure, etc. Medulla oblongata continues as the spinal cord which runs through the vertebrate columns and it controls reflex actions. The diagram shows the picture or the image of forebrain or central nervous system given below. Peripheral nervous system. The nerves gives out by the brain and the spinal cord from the peripheral nervous systems, that is PNS. There are 12 nerves and 31 spinal nerves in human body. The image shows difference between central nervous system and peripheral nervous systems given below. Somatic nervous system. It forms a part of the PNS. The nerves of the PNS, that is peripheral nervous system, that controls the voluntary actions of the body from the somatic nervous systems. The detailed image of somatic nervous system given below. Autonomic nervous system. All the nerves of the PNS that controlled by the involuntary actions of the body forms the autonomic nervous systems. Two divisions of autonomic nervous systems are sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous systems. The sympathetic nervous system prepares the body for intense physical activity and is often referred to as the fight or flight response, while the parasympathetic nervous system has almost the exact opposite effect and relax the body or inhibits or slow many high energy functions. Reflex action. Reflex action is a sudden involuntary reaction of the body in response to the stimulus. Reflex arc. It is the path followed by electrical impulse during a reflex action. The impulse travels from the receptor organs to the spinal cord. Brain is processed. There are the information is brought back to the concerned muscle to carry out the action. Those receptor organs, sensory efferent neurons, interneurons, motor efferent neurons, and efferent organs are the components of a reflex action. The image shows the functioning of reflex action is given below. Protection of CNS, that is central nervous system. The brain is protected by three main layers, that is the bony skull known as cranium, the cerebrospinal fluid, and the last one is mammings, which consist of dura mater, arachnoids, and pia mater. The detailed image which shows the three different layers of the central nervous system layers given below. Now it's time to check your knowledge about today's topic. Here are some questions as your assignment. Now it's time to check your knowledge about today's topic. Here are some questions as your assignment. I hope you understand today's topic. We again meet with new video. Till then, stay at home, be safe, be happy.